Wait, listen.
Oh!
Is that a person?
I can't.
That's not a person, it's an animal?
No.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, it's hilarious.
We should get a goat.
They don't know how to make their vibrato. They don't have a good vibrato.
They should get a goat. They should. Oh my god.
Ah! Is that a two-headed goat? Oh.
It's my words exactly.
Oh, do me a favor. Wait. No, look up goose. Look up goose. That's a goose. That's a. Oh.
Wait. Look, the dog.
Huh?
No. Yeah. Hold on.
You gotta look up goose.
Can't
You
think.
gotta look up goose.
Life right now.
Look up goose.